Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Knowledge. Today in this video we will learn about how to download Sketch 3 in our laptop or PC. So let's start our video. So first we have to open a browser. In this we have to search Scratch. After the searching of Scratch, click on download latest. After the clicking on download, when portal is open, click on direct download latest. You see this? After the clicking on direct download, the setup of Sketch is started. See this? The downloadation of Sketch 3 is completed. You see this? Click on the Store in folder. Double click on it. There it is. When dialog box appeared, click on Install. Is started. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to complete. The installation of Sketch 3 completed. It is installed in your laptop or PC. Click on Finish. The installation of Sketch is completed. Now it is opening. This is Sketch window. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. To understand my video, please like, comment and subscribe and click on bell icon for my latest notification.